Hi traders, today's video is 3 skills professional Forex traders use daily. Okay, here are my top 3 skills professional Forex traders use daily, and they are discipline, risk management and realistic expectations. Now this video is short and to the point, so stay with me to the end as I encourage you to adopt all of these skills if you're not already using them in your trading. Introducing myself, my name is Duncan Cooper. I'm a full-time trader and the senior market strategist and trading mentor at ACY Securities. Okay, let's get into the first skill, and that is discipline. Discipline can mean a lot of different things when it comes to trading. For myself, it's following a strict trading plan. Ahead of time, I know what level I want to trade at and where my stop and profit targets will be set. I only trade when the criteria for a trade setup is met and not before. I am not flexible with my trading rules, but I am flexible with my expectations, which I will discuss later. Now, I've had the opportunity to mentor many traders, and I would say that a major failing is not having the discipline to write and then follow a written trading plan. And the next skill is risk management. Risk management is more important than your ability to analyse the market. And it falls into 2 categories. The first is managing the percentage risk per trade. Myself, I only risk a small amount of my risk capital per trade. No more than 1% or 2% per trade. Now, I only have 2 trades open at any one time that do not have their stop loss positions moved to their trade entry levels. And the second category of risk is you. Are you a risk that needs to be managed? For most traders, they are the biggest risk to their own profitability because they are not disciplined and cannot follow a trading plan, and so are a bigger risk than the percentage risk on each trade. For myself, I always manage the risk per trade and have the discipline to follow the money management rules in my trading plan. And the third and most important skill is having realistic expectations. Traders expect that every trade that they take will win, because why would they take a trade if it wasn't going to win? This is an unrealistic expectation. You will have wins, losses and break-even trades. Here are the actual results of my last 20 trades. As we can see, the result of each set of 5 trades are different. This shows a random distribution of wins, losses and break-even trades. I had 7 wins, 8 losses and 5 break-even trades. I have realistic expectations. When I trade, I expect to have a random distribution of wins, losses and break-even trades. I don't get upset when I don't win, because I don't know which trade will win, lose or be a break-even trade. All I know is I will get an outcome and then I will move on to taking the next trade. I don't need each trade to win to be profitable, as long as I use a good risk to reward trading model. Okay traders, there you have my top 3 skills that professional Forex traders use daily. And I encourage you to adopt them if you're not already using them in your own trading. Now if you're interested in improving your trading, why not join me in my free beginner webinar series? You can register by using the link in the description below. All those that attend the webinars get full access to my own MT4 chart layouts and indicators. Okay traders, thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.